Oh no! Deep under the blue ocean lived Ollie the Octopus. Ollie had 8 arms, and he loved doing everything by himself. "I can do it alone," Ollie always said proudly. One day, Ollie carried shells, stones, and coral all at once. But things started falling. Ollie felt embarrassed and tried again. Nearby, Crab worked with friends. Fish helped each other. Turtle moved slowly but together. Ollie watched quietly. Suddenly, the ocean shook. A strong storm came rushing in. Ollie's little shell home began to break. Ollie tried to fix everything fast. His arms got tangled. His eyes filled with tears. Ollie took a deep breath. In a soft voice, he said, "Can someone please help me?" Right away, his friends came. Crab held the shells. Turtle blocked the waves. Fish brought strong stones. Together, they fixed Ollie's home. Ollie smiled big and hugged his friends. Ollie learned something very important that day. Asking for help is not weakness. Moral: asking for help makes